Good evening. You're with us here on News Connect. I'm Nida Khan. Our top focus story, the Supreme Court ruling has criminalized homosexuality, setting aside the Delhi High Court order on Section 377, instead putting the onus on our parliamentarians. Well, the order has come as a massive blow to the LGBT community, with several criticizing the decision by the top court.
In a major setback to gay rights in India, the Supreme Court set aside the Delhi High Court judgment on Section 377, criminalizing homosexuality.
Judge has set aside the judgment of the Delhi High Court and has held that Section 377 of IPC is a constitutionally valid provision, and the judgment delivered by Delhi High Court has been set aside. And they have also said that if the government of India wants to remove it from the statute book, they are open to do it.
With the stakes for the LGBT community riding high, the Delhi High Court order, which read down Section 377, decriminalizing homosexuality in 2009 after it was earlier made an offence punishable with a life term, the apex court's decision coming as a huge blow.
It is indeed a setback, but I can tell you, if it is against us finally, after we read the judgment, we will take all steps in law which we are entitled to. But I can tell you the fight is not over. The fight will continue if the judgment is against us.
I'm absolutely shocked. We know that the judiciary speaks in many voices and things can be very up and down. But the Nas Foundation judgment of 2009 was one of the best judgments we've ever had. We are very disappointed, and this is certainly not something that we expect from India of the 21st century.
While virtually pronouncing gay sex as illegal, the latest order by the Supreme Court putting the onus on Parliament instead.
Justice Singhvi said Section 377, that is the pertinent section here of the Indian Penal Code, is not suffering from any constitutional infirmity. In effect, he has criminalized homosexuality. The lawyers for Nas that have been fighting the case for the past 12 years say they will be filing a review in the case as well as a curative petition.
Parliament has a right to enact laws and also to amend the laws. And tomorrow, if the nation feels and if the Parliament feels that this is a constitutional, this is a provision which should be deleted from the IPC, they have a right to do that.
While those who petitioned the Delhi High Court order decriminalizing homosexual activities between adults hailing the latest order by the top court.
This is a victory of our Indian culture, our social fabric, as well as our moral grounds. Our value system has taken the victory route, and Honorable Supreme Court has set aside the order of High Court, which has given a basic victory to our value system.
Clearly, this latest move coming as a major setback to the 2.5 million strong LGBT community across the country. Bureau Report, Times Now.